Hey everyone, welcome back to hashtag Walk with Lan. Ako si Lan, your go-to guide for everything from sizzling stir fries to smart life hacks, global insights, and then of course political. And today, leveling up your finances. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our mix of food, tech, travel, politics, and practical tips. Today, we are diving into something that's hotter than a walk on a high flame. Why you are on probably losing money by keeping your savings in a regular bank account, and how to switch to high interest options right here in the Philippines. This is a couple of minute deep dive that's engaging, packed with stories, information, and motivation to get you moving. Let's steer things up. Mga kawok, imagine this ha. You are working hard every day, overtime sa office, side hustle sa weekends, saving every piso you can. But your money, it's just sitting there in your checking account, earning practically nothing. Most traditional banks in the Philippines give you a sad 0.01% to 0.125% interest on savings. That's quite small, no? That's like leaving your adobo to simmer on the lowest heat. It barely cooks. Meanwhile, high interest savings accounts from digital banks are offering 4% to even 15% or more. That's 40 times to hundreds of times better for doing absolutely nothing different. Stop parking your savings in checking accounts where they are idle. Today, I will share a real story from my own life, break down the best options available sa Pilipinas, and motivate you to take action. By the end, you will ready to transfer your funds and watch them grow. Let's get cooking. Okay, let me tell you, ha? Uh, ayoko. Okay, let me tell a story from other person, no? Mga kawok, no? So back in 2020 daw, during the height of the pandemic, sige na nga, I was like many of you, stuck at home, an apartment in Quezon City, freelancing, grabe, teaching, um, financial advising, ano pa mga ba yung mga yon? Hmm, meron pa yung mga yung sa health insurance, okay, HMO, yan. Okay? And then of course, content creator, yan. Okay, so my savings all in a big traditional bank account. I thought it was safe, convenient. Every month I check my statement, interest earned, maybe 10 pesos on blank, blank, blank. Parang joke, di ba? It felt like my money was on vacation while I was hustling. Then one day, I had a video call, no? She's a teacher with somebody, no? She's a teacher, always pinching pennies. She said, "Oh, Lan, bakit hindi mo ilagay sa digital bank? Ako sa Maya Bank, earning ako 6% boosted rate noon, ha? Now up to 15% with conditions." I laughed it off at first. Tita, scam ba yan? But she shared her screen, her balance growing daily. It hit me like overcooking garlic, bitter realization. I was losing thousands of pesos a year in potential earnings. Wow, no? So I did my research just like I do for a perfect pancit recipe. I transferred 50,000, sige na nga, to a high interest account. Fast forward to now in 2026, the same money had earned me way more than if it stayed put. It's like upgrading from instant noodles to homemade ramen. Same effort, way better results. This isn't just my story. It's thousands of Filipinos waking up to this. Remember the 2022 inflation spike. Prices for rice and gas went up, but bank rates stayed flat. High interest accounts help people like my neighbor, a Grab driver, build an emergency fund without extra work. If he can do it on a tight budget, so can you. Okay, let's get informative. Walang boring lectures, promise. First, what's the deal with interest rates? Simple. It's the money your bank pays you for keeping your cash with them. Traditional banks like BPI or Metrobank offer super low rates around 0.0625% to to 0.125% on basic savings because they have branches, staff, and of course, overhead cost. Digital banks, no physical branches, so they pass savings to you with higher rates. Okay, here in the Philippines, thanks to BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, digital banks are booming. They are safe. PDIC insured up to 500,000 per depositor per bank. 1 million na yata yan eh. No? Okay, no need to worry about hacks. If you use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Okay? Pro tip from my InfoSec videos. Sige. Why switch? Let's mat it out. Say you have 100,000 savings. Traditional bank at 0.01, you earn 100 pesos a year. Wow! Wow! Okay? High interest rate at 4%, 4,000 pesos a year. Wow! Wow! No? Boosted up to 6% or more, 6,000 pesos per year. Oh, biruin mo yun, di ba? Grabe yun. Okay. Oh, that's extra money for your next travel adventure or family outing. Plus, most digital banks have no maintaining balance. Free transfers via InstaPay or PesoNet. Pero si ano din eh, no? Si Metrobank, 8 pesos na lang sa InstaPay. And apps that make banking as easy as ordering from Food Panda. But wait, hindi lahat equal ah. Some rates are base, others boosted with conditions like daily spending or minimum deposits. Always check for promo periods as rates can change with BSP policy. Like recent rate cuts, di ba? Okay, don't chase the highest without reading terms. It's like adding too much salt to your dish. Now, the motivating part. Because knowledge without action is like a walk without oil. Nothing sticks, mga kawok. You're ready, smart for watching this. Think about your goals. Goals. Huh? That dream vacation to Boracay. A new gadget or just peace of mind for emergencies. High interest savings is your secret ingredient. I challenge you today. Download one app and transfer 1,000 pesos to test. Watch it grow. Watch it grow. My tita did it at 55. My young cousin at 22. If they can, ikaw pa. Remember, small steps compound, like interest in 5 years. That extra earnings could fund your kids' tuition or your retirement. Don't let inflation eat your savings. Be the boss of your money. Comment down below. What's your saving goal? Share your stories. I read them all. Okay, finally, the best high interest account sa Pilipinas as of February 2026. Rates can fluctuate, so verify on apps. These are from reliable sources like FinTech News PH and BSP approved banks. One, Maya Bank, base 3.5% yan. Boosted up to 15% on cap balances. For example, may 100,000 ka with monthly spending via Maya app, great for everyday users. Time deposits up to 5.75%. Wow, ha? Own bank, 6% on regular savings. No minimum balance. Time deposits up to 7.5%. Super straightforward. Number three, CIMB Bank, up to 6% on time deposits, 5.25% on some savings. Free GCash integration. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fourth, Uno Bank, 4% base, up to 6% on deposits. Good for longer terms. Number five, Tunic Bank, 4 to 6% on stashes, no fees. Fund group saving feature. Number six, Cbank, flat 4.25%, easy app. Go Time, 4% integrated with GCash. I did. All integrated by yan with GCash. Okay? So they have separate application. I'm using that one. Eh. 4%, no? Ayun, 3.5% na lang po ngayon, no? Hindi, actually 3% na lang si GoTime. 3% na lang siya if I'm not mistaken. Okay? Aha, bangko. Yan, BPI po yan, no? 5% on todo savings with 5,000 minimum. Okay. So start with one that fits your lifestyle. Maybe Maya, if you shop a lot. Link, that's it for today, mga kawok. If this fired you up, like, share, and subscribe for more. Next time, we will walk up some data science tips. Salamat and keep growing. Peace out.